We got a fun video for you today. Today we're going to be making a massive slingshot. We're going to be launching all of this stuff over here. Old project that I made, coconuts, some type of Malone here. If you can tell me what type of Malone this is, give you kudos in the comments. We got the sleigh, the snowman, and we're going to get right into it. We're going to have to build this outside, unfortunately. It's going to be a little bit cold, but we're about to get to it. Let's do it. All right, guys, so we're outside the shop now. I got two 4x4s down here, which are going to be the bottom of our slingshot. I got a couple of 2x4s. We got some more in there when we need them. So right now, we're going to add the 2x4 to this right here. I'm struggling with it. There we go. There we go. We got two of them. I'm going to add a couple more. There we go. There's one side done. Now, we take this other one.
Put the other one in.
One more screw. Alright guys, so this is what we're looking like right now. This right here is going to be our front of it. We're going to go grab a couple more 2x4s and be right back out here. Alright guys, so I got my 2x4 out here, and we're going to go ahead and put some little braces on here. So we're just going to tack it up here and tack it up there. Start sending them screws in. We're moving on over to the other side. As you can tell, we got that side completed. So we're going to do that same concept right now. Alright guys, so now that we got our nice and sturdy frames here, we need to get a measurement of from this end to this end to put us a 2x4. And then we'll also cut a couple out for one right here. So we're going to get that measurement, which it looks like to be about 4 feet. So, which honestly, we might make them 5 though, try to get a little bit wider. We'll probably go 5 feet, we'll cut that out. Alright guys, so we got our 2x4 measured up to 5 feet. We're going to cut 3 of these out. So we got our 3 5-foot pieces cut out. We're going to go ahead and install them. We just installed our little bottom plate. Now we're going to install one from here to here. We got everything nice and clamped up. We're going to go ahead and send the screw on each side so nothing go nowhere. Add another screw on each side. Alright guys, so we're going to put this last 5-foot piece on the back here. So we're going to go ahead and get this side lined up and send a couple screws. Alright guys, so we got pretty much the structure built. Let me tell you, this thing's probably about to launch something about 500 yards. So this is going to be crazy. So next thing we need to do is get our straps that we hope are going to work and make our little basket in the shop. Let's do it. Alright guys, so we got these 2 little gym elastic heavy duty bands. We're hoping that's going to work for this. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a little basket, like a little weave out of
Gorilla tape.
So we're going to get to that. Probably do a little time lapse of us making this, and we'll attach it to the catapult. guys, so we got our basket weaved here. We're gonna pray that it works. If it doesn't, then we'll have to come back and make adjustments. But now we're going to attach it to the catapult. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and take our weaved basket here and try to attach it to our platform. Alright guys, so now that we got our basket and everything installed, you can take them around here, cameraman. Show them the front view. But the concept is we're going to put something in here and we're going to lean back. And we're going to sling something. So now we're going to move it out there to the yard. Grab our things we're gonna launch and we're gonna see what it can do. All right guys, so we drug it out here. We had to make some changes to the pocket. It was doing some weird stuff. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna lower this because something's gonna get in the way and I'm hitting this and possibly coming back into our face. So we're gonna lower it down probably 6-7 inches. All right guys, so our slingshot is now finished. This is what she's looking like. She's sturdy, trust me. But now we're gonna go through and try shooting different items through it. We got all different types of stuff. We got a little toy truck, a little coconut, all different types of stuff. But I think first, Christmas is over. So let's try to send Snowman home first. And then we'll try to send his sleigh with him. All right guys, so say bye to the snowman. We're gonna tuck him in his bed right here. And we're gonna send him home, hopefully. Snowman back to North Pole. Task 1 complete. The snowman had to go meet Santa Claus at North Pole, but he needed his sleigh too. So we're gonna throw that up in here. And we're going to try to send this home as well. The sleigh's gone. Let's move on to the next test subject. Let's pick the monster truck. God almighty! God almighty! Monster truck just went sailing. Alright guys, so next we're going to try to send this coconut here. It's heavy, it's filled with some coconut milk. So we're going to try and send it to the moon. Alright guys, this is really heavy, but we're going to try and shoot it. Okay. Move to the next. If you can tell me what this is, okay, I will love you in the comments, okay? Patrick Mahomes, fourth quarter. 20 yards left, winning touchdown. Let's see what we can do. Alright guys, so we ain't gonna do nothing to this, but I'm most excited about the softball and the golf ball. So we're gonna try the softball. Let's do it. Hey, Hey, it might be a good pop fly machine. You know, you out there trying to practice your softball, your baseball. A little good idea. That's whatever that fruit is, it stank. Or I done stepped in some dog doo-doo. But that one, I hope the camera picks this up, and I hope it goes as far as I'm thinking it will. Oh my God! Oh my God! It set that thing a mile! I swear to y'all, I don't know if you can see it, but I promise you, that thing went at least 150 yards. Yes, Lord! Alright guys, so that's going to conclude our slingshot build. What a fun build this was. I hope you guys were able to enjoy this. So this right here is going to be posted on Wednesday. Obviously, it's Wednesday when you're seeing this. We're going to start posting every Wednesday and Saturday for sure now. Wednesday is going to be a different build, like a fun build, maybe a skit, you know, something different than the regular Saturday build. And then Saturday, you'll still have your regular builds. But yeah, this was just amazing right here. I believe it was a great idea. I hope you guys loved it. We had one fruit blow up on us. So it's kind of sad, but, and whatever it is, it stank. Like I said, it stank. So, but yeah, guys, appreciate everybody for tuning in. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button, click that post notification bell. We're making awesome content, like I said, every Wednesday and Saturday now. So we will catch you in the next one. Peace.